How I bought a property at auction and made $50,000. Most people lose money at foreclosure auctions, not because auctions don't work, but because they don't follow the numbers. This deal made me $50,000, not because I got lucky, but because I followed one rule most investors ignore. Let me show you exactly how this auction played out. I bought this property at a foreclosure auction for pennies on the dollar and turned it into a $50,000 profit in just a few months. This is one of my favorite deals because it shows what's possible when you follow the auction process the right way, not emotionally, not guessing. I found this property on the pre-foreclosure list. At first glance, it looked pretty normal. Decent area, older home, needed some work. Nothing flashy, and that's exactly why most investors ignored it. Before auction day, I ran my numbers. Here's what I came up with. ARV, around $240,000. Estimated repairs, $35,000. Target purchase price, $120,000. That $120,000 wasn't a guess. That was my max bid, the highest number that still made sense. And this part is critical. Every winning auction deal starts with discipline before you ever bid. On auction day, I showed up early. Trustees were setting up. Investors were scanning their lists. You could feel the energy. The bidding started at $98,000. A few investors jumped in right away. I didn't. I waited. I let them battle it out. The price climbed. $110,000, $115,000, $118,000, $119,000. My max was $120,000. When it hit $120,000, I raised my card. The other guy hesitated, paused, and backed out. I won the property at my number, not above it. If you're getting value from real auction breakdowns like this, subscribe. I post real deals and real numbers on this channel. Once we secured the property, the rehab went almost exactly as planned. Nothing crazy, new flooring, paint, kitchen updates, a few plumbing fixes, basic curb appeal, no major surprises, because the deal was analyzed correctly before the auction. Here's the full breakdown. Purchase, $120,000. Rehab, $35,000. Holding plus closing costs, $10,000. Total invested, $165,000. We listed the property around $240,000. It sold quickly. After agent fees, closing costs, and everything else, my net profit was right around $50,000. And here's the part most people miss. This deal wasn't luck. It wasn't rare. It wasn't a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. It was understanding the numbers, sticking to the process, staying disciplined at auction. Most people don't evaluate deals correctly. Most people don't do their research. Most people overpay. You don't have to. If you want to learn how to find deals like this, analyze them correctly, and walk into auction day knowing your exact max bid, I teach that step-by-step inside my mentorship program. The link is in the description. This is why auction investing works, when you work the process. I'll see you in the next one.